In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a contact from Telegram. So first, I open Telegram app on my Android phone. So you need to select which person you want to delete right now. Actual purpose, this is Nadia Ahmed. So I want to delete from my contact list on Telegram. So now click on this three minute dot. Again, here are lots of options. If you found, then you need to click on three dot menu, then block user, or otherwise just go back, then click and hold and click on this delete button. Also delete for Nadia, just tick mark, and you can see permanently delete it to the chat with Nadia Ahmed. Then again click on delete chat. So this is the method how you can delete a person from contact on Telegram. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care.